The portable power station 330W 288.6Wh solar generator presents itself as a practical solution for those seeking reliable power on the go. Whether for outdoor adventures, emergency backup, or travel needs, this power station offers a blend of functionality and convenience. At a glance, the portable power station boasts a capacity of 288.6 watt-hours and a maximum output of 330 watts. This makes it suitable for charging multiple devices simultaneously, from smartphones and laptops to small appliances like mini fridges or lights. The compact design enhances its portability, making it easier to transport, whether in a vehicle or during camping trips. One of the key features of this power station is its versatility in charging options. Users can power it through a standard wall outlet, a car charger, or by utilizing solar panels for a more sustainable approach. This flexibility is particularly useful for those who may find themselves in remote areas without access to traditional power sources. The solar charging feature can also be an appealing option for environmentally conscious users, allowing for renewable energy use while enjoying the outdoors. On the front panel, the power station includes multiple output ports. These typically consist of AC outlets, USB-A ports, and USB-C ports, accommodating a range of devices. The presence of an LCD display provides real-time information regarding battery status, input-output wattage, and other essential metrics, which can help users manage power consumption effectively. When it comes to usage, the portable power station is designed to be user-friendly. Setting it up is straightforward, with clear instructions available for first-time users. It can handle a variety of everyday appliances, making it a reliable companion for camping trips, tailgating, or even during power outages at home. However, it is important to note that while it can power small appliances, larger devices may exceed its capacity and should be used with caution. In conclusion, the portable power station 330W 288.6Wh solar generator offers a range of features that cater to diverse power needs. Its portability, multiple charging options, and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for anyone looking to maintain power access in various situations. As users explore its capabilities, they may find it serves as a versatile tool for both everyday use and emergency preparedness.